What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is Eric from the Orange Den Garage, and today I'm going to be replacing one of my tires because it has a bubble on the sidewall and it's getting bigger. So that's a big problem there. So I got to get rid of that, swap it out with another used tire that I got while on the job. The other used tire also has a bubble, but hopefully it's not as big as the one I have currently on the Zara right now. And let me try to traverse the icy tundras. We still got some snow here and got some ice and whatnot, but yeah, so that's what I'm going to be doing right now. I'm going to the Zara, going to start it up, get it nice and warm before I clock out, and then come back and pick it up so I can do this tire tire swap, and throw out that old big bubble tire. I'm gonna show you guys real quick too to see what I mean. It's pretty huge. So yeah, here we go. Let's take a look. All right, so I'm pretty sure you already saw it, but that right here is the bubble. This thing is just gotten huge. It's like this is the size of the bubble. Let's see if I can get it at an angle. You see that? That thing is huge. I gotta get that replaced. With I think so. I have one in the back seat, and then I got another tire in the trunk. I think the one in the trunk is the one I'm using to replace this thing. So yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got the car up in the air now. Gonna be taking off the tire. Gonna check the brake pads at the same time so I can see when or where the pad life is, because I know the rear is gonna have to replace them soon. So I want to keep an eye on how the fronts are looking while the wheels off, so I can get at least a better understanding of the life on the fronts as well. And yeah, I'm gonna take out the tire right now. Center cap. Oh, geez. Okay, well, it's harder to take that off than I thought. Yeah. Let me see. Get some leverage. Alright, so what I'm going to do right now, using this rag as leverage to pop the center cap off. Should work, but you gotta give it a couple tries. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, just like that. Alright. Gotta double check the size. I should do it. taken care of. I'm gonna check the brakes right now. So it looks like my front brakes are currently at 6 mil. So eventually I'm gonna have to replace those. Just like how I believe the rear were at 6 at the time. No, I think they were at 5 or 4. So chances are, yeah, they're still about the same. So chances are I'm probably gonna have to replace the rear eventually, but for now, it looks like they're still good. So I'm just gonna focus more right now on the tires of the car and just swap this one out with a brand new one that we have that I got. And again, the bubble on the newer used tire that I got is just about like half, if not a quarter of the size of the bubble on this tire that I have on right now. So as far as I can tell, I don't think I should be looking at anything else. I kind of need to do a coolant flush. I don't know though if this has that universal green coolant. If it does, definitely got to swap it out for the Hyundai coolant. I kind of want to do that too. Got to figure out how much coolant it takes. And yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. I'm gonna swap this tire with the new used one, and let's see, the bubble's right here, but you probably won't even be able to notice it, to be honest. I don't even think you can, so that's a good thing. So now that we got that out of the way, let's get this tire change going. All right. Finally, dude. Oh my gosh. So that took way longer than I thought it would. For some reason, I just couldn't get the top bead to just properly go in. So it took me a couple tries. Such a pain. I'm tired for some reason because of this. All right. Gonna have to balance. So I'm going to have to replace the tire because of the new tread and the fact that the wheel was previously balanced specifically for the old tire that I had on there, and also the fact that there's a small bubble on this tire, but that's about it. Fine.
Yeah.
Okay, moving on. Yeah? Not much in yourself. That's good. There we go. 35 PSI, boy. Sweating. Sweating. Ain't tired, gotta be tired. Alright, now gotta do a quick balance. Of course, gotta remove the old ways, put some new ones on. Also, sorry about the way the video is angled. You know, it's kind of hard to get these crazy angles, you know, so bear with me. try to get it as straight as I can, give or take. I don't know if you guys, I gotta double check this angle, but yeah, especially since I'm rotating, this is pretty dope, I'm not gonna lie. But there, that should do it. All right, just gonna quickly do this. Remove the old weights, put some new ones on, balance this thing, and then I'm gonna be on my way home. Looking nice, boy. Already got that tire shine too. Keep forgetting that I cannot tap it. That'd be 2 smooth taps, you know? I gotta get a mic for my phone. Alright. So there we go. So the new tires in. Throwing the old one out. So in with the new, out with the old. There we go. So the new tire's already on. Got a bad wheel back on. Gotta quickly, zap the lug nuts on, torque it, and I'm gonna be on my way home in a couple minutes now. Also, before I forget, I'm going to put air on the driver tire since it's leaking air anyways, especially with all this cold weather. Hey, so Erick. Since I don't know the specs of the wheel torque for the Zera, I was going to put it down at 75. It's already zapped it on the impact gun. There we go. That should do it. Put the center cap back on. All right, let's go. So I'm gonna finish the video out inside the car. So, because I gotta leave, it's about to be that time. I'm running out of time anyways for working inside. So I'll catch you guys in the next scene. Well, hey everybody, thank you for watching. I was struggling there towards the end of the tires, swap, putting on the brand new tire, because since the tires that I put on now, or the new tire that I put on now, is a low profile, they're a pain in the ass to get on. It was easy getting off, wasn't that big of a deal. It was just the top, trying to get the top bead down was just a pain in the ass. Made it difficult. It just I don't know. It was just a pain in the ass. Got mad. I'm tired for no reason for doing that. I'm just exhausted. But now I'm in the car, about to head home. So thank you for watching. Just want to say to all of you, Happy New Year. Hope you had a great holiday. I know I'm really late about saying this, because we're already towards the end of January, and 2020 has already started. And then it's crazy how this year started. We got the flu going on. You got World War III memes all over the place and all that. I'm not gonna lie, those World War III memes are hilarious. But yes, thank you again for your support for the 2019, from 2019 to now, from like, what is it, November from now. We've been doing the videos for a couple months now, and thanks to you guys, we've been getting a lot of support, and we appreciate it. We truly do. I want to say thank you to all of you about that, and I hope that 2020 comes with some surprises, some good ones especially, and hope that bad energy stays away from us, and hopefully we can grow here at the Orange Den Garage. So yes, thank you. Can't stress enough how much we appreciate all the support you guys give us, all the views, all the likes, you know, even the comments here and there helps us out. We enjoy it. We like to see it, and we hope that you guys are enjoying these videos, and we're trying to get better for you guys. You know, we're trying to get some more stuff for videos, like mounts and stuff like that, especially for a camera, for our phones, seeing as we're technically buying just, you know, phone accessories, because for now we're recording on our phones. I guess it's pretty obvious, so it's kind of hard to do you know, videos on the phone, because they don't look as good as they would on an actual camera, and not all phones are that good. But you know, we're trying to, you know, we're trying to get these videos out, you know, for you guys to the best of our abilities, with what we have, and we hope that you guys are enjoying these videos. And you know, we just hope that our channel grows, and we can grow with it. We can get better at these things, because it's hard starting off. We were nervous. I mean, I'm still nervous. You could tell by the way I talk, especially around when other people, I get really nervous, and I guess, you know, I start talking low. I'm not talking loud as I normally would be. Like right now, I'm talking loud, and that's because I'm in my car by myself. Like I haven't gotten to the point where I'll blocking people out and just talking loud to the camera, not caring who's around me. I'm not there yet. Neither is Wyatt, because you guys already know how he sounds while talking, and he sounds pretty what's the word? I don't know, like a robot, I guess you could say. I don't know. He just the way how he's, you know, talks to the camera and all that stuff. But yeah, we just want to get better here at the Orange Den Garage. We want to get the best videos for you guys. Like, and what I mean by that, I don't mean like the quality, but I just mean try to get, you know, as much content as possible, because right now we both work full-time jobs, and we do like part-time Uber on the side. So when we get a chance to do these videos, we try to, and we want to make it look good as possible, because we don't want to half-ass anything and it just be a waste of time. Like why are we recording these videos if they're not going to look good, or if they're not going to, you know, be nice or anything like that? So we're just trying to do our best here, getting these videos out, the quality, you know, the angles and all that, because we're brand new to these things, and we're trying to do our best to get all the types of angles that we can, and we just need to go, you know, work our way to buying the things that we need, like a camera and stuff. Now, we are doing some future review videos. Just unfortunately, we haven't been able to produce anything, is because we both haven't been feeling well. We've both been under the weather. I got hit with the flu just last week, and my wife has the flu too, so she's like unable to help us with the review videos. So that's why we haven't been able to produce any new review videos. But we do have some new 2020 cars from Toyota that we want to show you guys, that have come out, because they look pretty nice. Some of the TRD stuff have shown up at the dealership too, and they look amazing. They look way different from the other you know, additions of the car, and we want to show you that too. But yeah, I just want to say thank you for all the support, for all the, you know, love from you guys, and I hope that we can produce some more videos for you guys soon. So stay tuned, and like always, ladies and gentlemen, envision your dreams, because that is what we try to do here at the Orange Den Garage. Enjoy your night, enjoy your day, or whatever you see this video. Take care, everybody, and be safe.